Hello and welcome to day 14 of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jane Eyres.
And we're puzzle and brain training authors. And yesterday we discovered that day 14 was somewhere.
Behind Ollie the Knight.
Who is
there?
Right.
There he is.
So a closer look inside.
Ollie.
The final episode of series 14 included a callback to the very first task ever. The one with grape scissors.
Fun.
So I'm presuming that scissors are cutting grapes as opposed to scissors made out of grapes.
Oh, I don't know.
I mean, you can actually buy grape
We'll have
scissors.
to go back and watch it. Oh,
Right, day 14.
We haven't had a bonus task for a while.
We haven't, you're right. From this room, go west 3 rooms. I'm guessing west is not that way, because that's the edge of the
I've seen a
calendar.
compass.
Okay.
I've seen a compass.
North 1 room, east 1 room, south 2 more, east 3 rooms, and you found tomorrow's door. That's such a lot of movement.
There may be something wrong with these instructions.
Yeah, because you can't go west. Oh, maybe you can. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Okay.
Should we look at the bonus task?
Yeah.
Bonus
They've been
task.
fun so far.
Wrap a present as neatly as possible using only one hand. Best wrapping wins.
Cool.
Wrapping will be judged by Alex Horn.
Love
Post your
that.
video to Instagram, TikTok or X. You have until 9 AM on the Monday the 15th of December. Right, well, we're not going to do that.
Amazing.
Well, at least not in this video. But let's have
Is there anything in this room first?
Okay, so
Do
it's a
the
film.
opposite, it says at the top.
There's a film crew. Okay, do the opposite. There's a film crew with a duck, a mirror, duck on a whiteboard, and another duck.
Good job we looked in the room.
Yeah, good job we had to look in the room.
So I've seen a compass. There is a compass here on the bottom of the box.
Okay, let's have a look at that.
But it's just telling us,
Where?
I think,
Oh.
just there, what we would think anyway.
Yeah, north is up, east is to the right, south is down, west is to the left.
Shredded wheat.
So where are we starting?
So now we want to...
Here.
Yeah.
From this room, go west. Do you want to do the pointing? Go west 3 rooms,
So we're actually going...
east.
1, 2,
Shall I
3.
invert them as I read them?
It's up to you. You just have to be consistent.
I will invert them. South 1 room, west 1 room, north 2 rooms, west 3 rooms. And you found tomorrow's door.
Hooray!
That was easy. So it's here then.
Should we check?
Yeah, definitely check.
Day 15! That's what we were hoping for. Hooray!
There we go. Well, if you enjoyed that, do please join us tomorrow for day 15. But until then,
See you there.
take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.